Managing a commercial premise can be challenging and time consuming. So when you are appointing a contractor, you need to know you are appointing a professional who will deliver the work you have agreed upon. Vaporclean fully trained professional cleaning technicians have been delivering just that for many years. Be it carpet cleaning for small charities in need, kitchen extractor system cleaning for our local restaurants, or contract cleaning for big brand supermarkets. We have built a reputation within the cleaning industry for professionalism, high standards, and reliability. One simple inquiry to our customer service advisors will quickly ensure a free quote visit is booked, a fixed quote is provided, and an appointment booked at a day and time to suit you. Minimizing disruption for your business, backed by our 24 hours a day, 7 days a week working, meaning no need for you to lose priceless trading time. Vaporclean's specialist local technicians are fully equipped to complete a range of commercial cleaning services. Working in teams, they can complete the smallest to the largest of requirements for services such as commercial carpet cleaning and specialist spot stain removal for offices, pubs, clubs and restaurants. This type of carpet cleaning not only requires additional techniques, knowledge and equipment compared to domestic, but can also be time or day restrictive to some businesses. Deep clean for a range of sites combining eco-friendly specialist solutions with dry steam technology to provide a true deep sanitizing clean along with a fresh working environment. Kitchen extractor system cleaning to BESA TR19 standards, a certified service keeping you, your customers and business safe while ensuring your insurance is satisfied and remains valid. Kitchen deep cleaning, a service to ensure you maintain kitchen hygiene, helping you to always aim to achieve 5-star hygiene and customer reviews. Working with some of the biggest names in the area for many years simply shows how professional and reliable we are. A true asset to maintaining any commercial premises. If you don't believe us, check out our reviews. So if you want to put us to the test or want to find out more, please contact us now. Thank you.